Well, here's the reason why we got the power off. Cleaning the transformer. That's what PG&E says they're doing. Looks like for some reason the PG&E work trucks have been moved over here. I don't know what that means, but it's getting to be 4:30 and they're still not finished. Well, they're still working over here on Gotel. Well, something's not working right. We haven't been able to get this lined up, I guess. I think the problem is that the lid won't close because the bottom part is not properly set down.